What, my friends? It's Miss Tania Lou of Canada here. Me just stay up late here, cooking, baking actually. Me bake some pudding. Yeah, man. Me just put it all together, no measurement. Me just get my bread, and me put jam, and me all put coconut milk, and cinnamon, and nutting egg. You know, nutting egg. Yes, nutmeg. It's hot and nice. So, I want to talk to you about festival time. Well, first of all, I'm so happy today. Let me just big up the volleyball girl them and the sunshine netball girls and the reggae football girls. Una agwan. We're proud of you in the diaspora. Uno keep on doing well. Yeah? We're proud of you, so tell. So yes, my dear. Me I think about festival time when I was a little picnic. Yeah, man. Down at National Stadium there. Lord, me there with the floats and the parade. And when them have the festival song competition them, Lord, me did love Eric Donaldson. This is the land of my birth. This is Jamaica, my Jamaica. The land of my birth. Me say, me love Eric Donaldson. Me love the astronauts. I'm a born Jamaican. Yeah, man. And of course, Epic Toots and Metals. But me love festival time. And in a few days, Sunday, we're going to celebrate our 61st independence. And I just want to wish Jamaica well. Everybody here in the diaspora, we're cheering you on. And we're contributing, even when we're not there in Jamaica, we're contributing in different ways. Passing on the culture, sending back funds. And we're doing a whole heap of things to help. So I just bigging up Jamaica from Canada. And remember Miss Lou? Yeah, man, our mother of Jamaican culture. She used to do all the wriggle them and the stories and all the song them. And then she put few language on the international map. Yeah, man. And make we have one strong identity. Really teach us to love who we are. Yeah, man. She helped me to be confident in who I am. Yes. So, I want to leave you with two riddles and a story. Wriggle me this, wriggle me that, guess me this wriggle, and perhaps not. Who wear the biggest hat? Prime Minister, Doctor, Governor General. Who wear the biggest hat? Uno know? Uno give up? Hey, you know the answer is the one with the biggest head. Yes, another one. Wriggle me this, wriggle me that. Guess me this wriggle and perhaps not. My uncle, him have one big greenhouse, and inside of the greenhouse him have a white house, and inside the white house him have a red house, and in the red house it have some little brown windows. What am I? I'm going to give a clue. Is a fruit. You know, give up? You don't know? Is watermelon. One of my friends them say Aki. I say which Aki that you know looks so. Yes. And me one joke. One time. So this man who make coffin, he might go on special delivery for drop off in other country. So poor copy, you know, see him, our officer, see him with the coffin upon him head because the poor man carried it shut down, so he have to take the coffin to the house because it had to be dropped off on that day. So copy, see him, I take the coffin upon him head and say, hey sir, why you do it that the coffin upon your head? Him say, officer, me I try find one new location, coming on like where them bury me. Copy, take off. Darling, I love you. I love my people. You stay strong. And as Miss Lou say, we fi just teach the picnic the same thing that belong to them. Make us continue to have a strong heritage. Let us continue to pass it on to our children. Happy Independence Day. Happy 61st Independence Day. I wish you was here to have some pudding with me. Take care and walk good. Take care. Walk good every day, and good Duppy will walk with you. Walk good. Mother Lou will love you. Blessings, everyone.